Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change your phone number in Coinbase. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to top right and click your own account and click settings. Right then you need to scroll down below and then click here preferences, security, and here in security you're gonna see phone numbers. And here you can click manage. And you can remove the phone number and add a new one, or click simply here, add a phone number, and you just simply add a new phone number on your Coinbase account. And you just add it here, you're gonna get a code, and you just write it here. And this is pretty much how you change it. But also, you're gonna see manage here, and you can also remove the phone number you had, or add a new phone number. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.